Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Jaffer Apton, and in this tutorial I'll be showing how to align an object or a camera to a path in 3ds Max. The first thing we need to do, we need to have a path. So we're just going to quickly draw a line, and that will be the path that the object will be following. So there we go. And there. And now we're going to draw an object. So and that object will follow the path. So the path will be the line. We're just going to quickly draw a box, place it here. Just change the size a little. Let's make it 10 by 10. Done. All right. Okay, so now we want this to follow the path, which is the line. So we have to go to animation. And select path constraint from constraints, and just you have this dash line. You just have to select the line. It's good to remember that where the line started from, because that's going to be the starting point of the path. So now we just have to click on the path, and the box is following now. The box is following the path, and we can see that it has generated keyframes. And it's moving along the path now. If we make changes to the path, the changes will also affect the box. All right, so let's say that we don't want the box to start, we don't want the box to follow, the bottom of the box to follow the path. We want the center of it. So we simply select, we have to select the box, and under the hierarchy, we just highlight the effect pivot only, and then select center, and that would select the center of it. So now if we move the timer, that's the center of it. We also can go to the modify, to motion, and select follow. And what that does is it tells the object to follow, orientate with the path. So now we want to have a camera to follow the box on a path. So we're quickly going to draw another path for the camera. We could use the same one, but we're just going to draw a new one. There we go. Done. So now we have to draw a camera and select target, and the target's going to be the box. Let's do it again. The target's going to be the box. Select the camera, and under modify, under motion, pick a target, and we select the box. So that's the target. Now the camera will be following the box wherever it goes. All right, so now we want to do the same thing that we did to the box under animation, constraints, path constraints, and select the new line that we did. And now the camera is following that path. And it's also following its target, which is the box in this case. We also can change the location of the path like this, and the camera follows. We also can set new keyframes for that as well. So if we select the camera, turn on auto key, and let's say on frame 35, we want the camera to be here, that's what happens. And let's say on frame 75, we want the camera to be here, and the keyframes are generated. So now if we go and play this again, we see the speed of the camera change because it's following the new keyframes. So now if we go to the camera perspective and play this, you can see that the camera is following the box along the path that we told it to follow. So that was it for the object and camera following a path tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.